Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is the end of a wave 3. If that is the case, then we are very likely still in a wave 4, which potentially will take maybe 8 months or more to play out. I think it's going to go down to about the 50% fib level around the 178.5 area before it makes another attempt up for a wave 5, which I actually think this is likely all an ABC correction on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely very impulsive move down. It's been pretty slow for the last several weeks, but I still think there's a decent chance that it is going to try to make another attempt down before it goes up and makes a crutch into the wave A, which is a wave B, and then but likely down again for a wave C. All part of a wave 4, which we have to remember wave 4s are often very overlapping messy patterns. All you have to do is look at the wave 2 back here to see how messy they really can be. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very impulsive up, but definitely still no breakout structure. The trend is definitely still down. To me, it kind of looks like one of those irregular ABC corrections I always see, where it's just impulsive up, little ABC, and then a little impulsive up, and then it just tries to continue the downtrend. So I'm still looking at this as possibly going down one more time to complete this wave A, like a 3, 4, and 5 of wave A. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this whole thing looks extremely corrective, and this is very impulsive. So impulsive versus corrective almost always will lead to impulsive again, which is why I'm still kind of sticking to the idea that this is going to end up making another attempt on the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it has been very slow on the yen pairs pretty much all month long. But I mean, I've been looking for sorts this whole time, and there actually has been some really nice sorting opportunities along the way, as you can see. And I definitely will continue to look for sorts unless it breaks structure to the upside on the higher time frames, which it definitely has not done so yet. So definitely looking for sorts at the end of all pullbacks I see, hoping that it does finally end up continuing the downtrend at some point in the near future. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.